I'm Vijayalakshmi. So I'm going to teach about the topic as software engineering introduction. So let me discuss about first of all the definition. So as per the IEEE definition, we can say a software engineering is the application of systematic, disciplined, quantifiable approach for the development, orientation, and maintenance of a software. So generally, we are following IEEE standard for giving any assurance of a software. So that's why we are following the IEEE's definition for a software. And also we have some realities, that is to understand the problem before a software solution is developed, as well as we design becomes an essential activity. Software should exhibit high quality and software should be maintainable. So, as per the IEEE definition, we can say a software engineering process should be systematic, discipline, and quantifiable approach for an development of the software. We can say. As well as the layered technologies for software development we are following is, so first of all, the initial layer will be the tools, methods, and process model and quality focus. So here the software engineering is following the layer technology, which is a foundation for software engineering is a process layer, and the process defines a framework that must be established for effective delivery of a software. And software engineering methods provide the technical how to and how we have to build a software, and software engineering tools will provide an automated or semi-automated support for the process and the methods. So this method encompasses a broad array of tasks that includes communication, requirement analysis, design modeling, as well as a program construction, testing, and support. So we have categorized the layered technology as four types, which is the tools, methods, process models, and quality focus. So based on this layered architecture, we can build a software and we can follow the software engineering procedure. So here, one of the author Polya suggests to understand the problem. So what it is, that is a communication and analysis of a result, and plan a solution, which is a modeling and software design, and carry out the plan, so which is a code generation, and examine the result for accuracy. So generally, a software engineering process will follow the five phases, which is a planning and planning and analysis. Second one is a requirement. Third one coding. Fourth one testing, and fifth one the maintenance. So these are the five phases a software engineering process will follow. So, and for the understand the problem, that is for the communication analysis phase. So who are the stakeholders and what are the unknowns and what data functions and features will be required for developing a problem, as well as can the problem can be compartmentalized, or is it possible to represent smaller problems that may be easier to understand, or can the problem be represented graphically, or it can be analysis model for to be created. So this is the thing we can follow in the communication and the analysis process. So here the plan the solution. So how we have to plan the solution, that is whether we need to compare with the already existing problem, so we have the similar type of problem or it is a new one. Also the sub problems can be identified, and it should a solution should be proposed for that sub problems also, and represent the solution in a manner that leads to effective implementation which can be carried out. So also the carry out the plan, so that is, does the solution conform to the plan, or is source code traceable to the design model. So in is each component part of the solution has a design code, and maybe it should be reviewed or not, we should be seriously viewed. So these are the essence of practice we can follow for software development life cycles. So, and examine the results. So this is, it is possible to test each component part of the solution. Has a reasonable testing strategy been implemented, or it can be implemented with the data functions and features that are required. So how it all starts, that is for example, just take the safe home application product. The need to correct a defect in an existing application, the need to adapt a legacy system, and need to extend the function, and need to create a new product, service, or system, it can be examined. So here Now comes to the software project management. So here, what is software project management? That is, it is concerned about the activities which involves ensuring the software which is delivered on time and scheduled and in accordance with the requirements of the organization developing. So which is the project management is needed because of the software development is always subject to the budget, and it can be scheduled for the constraints and set by the organization development. So success criteria for this SPM, that is software project management, is deliver the software to the customer at the agreed time, as well as keep overall cost within a budget, and deliver software that meets the customer's expectations, and maintain a coherent and well functioning development team as well. So, software project management distinctions, that is, a product is intangible, and which means as well as the many software projects are one of projects, and the software process are variable or and organization specific. So, what it means is, yes, our product is intangible, that is, a software cannot be touched, and software project managers cannot see the progress by simply looking at the artifacts, as well as many projects especially for the large software projects are usually different in some ways from the previous project, and software process are variable and organization specific, that is which we still cannot reliable for predicting the software process development problem as well. And what are all the factors which influence the software project management is company size, as well as a software customers, as well as the software size, software type, and organizational culture, software level development process. And these factors mean that the project managers is different from organization which may work or quit different ways. So here the software management lifecycle activities is, so first of all we need to propose a plan for writing the proposals. That is, this is the first stage for the software project management, and the proposal describes what is the objective of that project we are developing. So it should be detailedly described in that. As well as the project planning, that is, the project managers are responsible for planning, estimating, and scheduling the project development, as well as assigning the people to task. So this is a project planning phase. And the risk management, so which is a project manager assess the risk that may affect a project, that may be known risk or unknown risk, whatever may. So but anyway we need to assist we need to predict our risk management also. So people management, so the project managers have to choose people for their team, as well as to establish the ways of working to lead to effective team performance, as well as the reporting. So this is a software project managers process, usually responsible for reporting on the progress of a project to the customer and the company developing the software. So this is about the software project management.